Okay, another Xbox One S with a screwed up HDMI cable TV out. I just got done taking her apart, and I was noticing that some of those pins on the back side are lifted off the board. I don't know. I'm gonna unsolder it and that and see what happens. Oh, wait a minute here. Oh, that bugger just fell right off. Boy, they really damaged her. Huh. Okay. There you go. Look at them. Look at those little pins along that edge up there. All bent to pieces. I hope they didn't ruin the board. I see a spot right here with nothing in it. I hope there's nothing bad there. I'm going to have to investigate. Get my old magnifier here. Take a quick peek. Oh boy. Oh, don't look good. Yeah, see, there's one there that might be missing. That's not a good sign. If I can't fix that, she's gonna be junk. We'll have to see what we can do. We'll be back.